Hi, I'm Dr. Kate Beaven-Marks of HypnoTC, the hypnotherapy training company, and hypnosis-courses.com. And I'd like to invite you to join me at the UK Hypnosis Convention on Friday, the 11th of November at 8:30 a.m. Yes, I know it's an early one, but it's worth it because you'll be getting 2 hours of EMDR tools for hypnotherapists. And when you join this highly practical, interactive workshop, you're actually going to get 3 sets of tools. Firstly, you're going to learn a rapid method for developing resources using Hypno-EMDR, and this can be used with clients both in person and online. Secondly, you'll learn how you can apply the 9-phase Hypno-EMDR method within your hypnotherapy practice for a diverse range of applications, and I'll illustrate this with some brief case histories. And yeah, there's more. You'll also find out how to use Hypno-EMDR for therapist self-care and how to use it to avoid and address vicarious trauma and compassion fatigue. So join me for this lively, informative and truly useful EMDR tools for hypnotherapist session. Remember, it's Friday, the 11th of November, starting at 8:30 a.m. I look forward to meeting you there.